Tres Leches cake, the most beautiful, incredibly juicy cake you can do it at home. Look, delicious. That's the one. We have three preparations. We will do the cake syrup to soak our biscotto, the frosties that is going on top, some decoration, and that's it. And here Chef Luca again, life in full flavor, your channel for comfort food. Please share, comment, like, subscribe. For the cake we will need 125 gram all-purpose flour, 6 gram of baking powder, 1.5 gram of salt, 5 eggs medium size, 150 gram plus 50 gram of sugar, I will explain you why later on, 80 gram of fresh milk. You need 3 bowls. I will put the link in bio. The glass one are coming from Amazon as usual. Super simple step. We start with 1 bowl. We pour the flour. We pour our baking powder, salt. Don't forget to preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Will take around 20 minutes to preheat. After, we pass it through the sieve in another bowl. We separate the yolk from the white. We take the bowl with the yolk and we whip with the first 150 grams of sugar. Of course, I will use my machine. You can use another machine. You can do it by hand. I will put the link in bio. Whisk the yolk till it's super fluffy. After, add the 80 grams of milk and the 5 of vanilla extract and mix together till combined. We take the white eggs and we start beating as well the white. When it starts changing the color and become white, we pour the other 50 grams of sugar. Remember why we divide them. And we whip till super fluffy. We take the bowl of flour, we pour the egg yolk inside and slowly with the spatula we fold the flour into the eggs. When it's well combined, we will add the white. That means slowly again with our spatula we incorporate the white to the eggs and the flour. Prepare your mold. My cocotte, I will put the link in bio, is coming by Amazon, is 22 cm for 30 to 33 cm. We just brush it with a little bit of melted butter. Pour your mixture in the mold, slightly make it flat and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. In the meantime, we can do our syrup for the cake. Just mixing together or whisking together 340 grams of evaporated milk, 255 grams of condensed milk, and 80 grams of whipping cream. When you see that the cake is brown on top, you can pour like everybody does, a small skewer inside, boot skewer, and check if it's wet or not. Do what you want, but 30-40 minutes max is the timing. When the cake is coming out, we need to let it rest, need to cool down almost completely. We take a fork and we pinch all the top of the cake to make sure our syrup penetrate the cake and make it super fluffy, spongy and wet. For our easy frosties, 480 grams of whipping cream, 25 grams of sugar. And we can prepare our simple frosty just whipping the cream with the sugar. Till, of course, consistency of a whipping cream of a meringue. We cover completely our sponge with our frosty. We decorate with what we want, in this case with strawberry. I bought even chocolate strawberry. You can put blueberry, raspberry, wherever you wanna do. And we let it rest another 15 minutes just to set. And that's it, guys. The tres leches cake never was so good. Follow this recipe and let's enjoy this beauty. Look at that. Nice, creamy, incredibly juicy, unbelievable. Now guys, really, there is really no another recipe. That's the one. Don't forget your strawberry. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!